guys, it's Civil3d and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we have exercise number 3, explore object relationships. It's very interesting topic in Civil3d. You will see later. Before starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel for Civil3d basic to advanced knowledge, and you can also like my Facebook page where you can share your any issue about Civil3d. Civil3d professional designer is my Facebook page. You can look here at my projects about Civil3d. So let's start our today topic. Exercise number 3, chapter number 2, explore object relationships. Before exercise, I need to explain something. Connecting objects to objects. The most important type of relationship that you will see in this chapter is the one between objects. A typical land development project is a collection of dozens of mini designs that often tie into one another. For example, a road is designed by first drawing the 2D path of its center line. Then the proposed changes in elevation along that center line, and finally the lanes, curves and sidewalks extending outward from that center line. To provide drainage during a rainstorm, ditches must be installed along the side of the road. The location and depth of these ditches can be traced back through the design process the entire way to the layout of the road center line. If the layout of the center line needs to changes for some reason, that changes must propagate downstream through the design process, ultimately changing the location and depth of one or more ditches. Before Civil3d, the many implications of such a change had to be addressed manually. An engineer or designer would have to inspect the road elevation, curbs, sidewalks and ditches and manually address any changes required because of a change upstream in the design. With Civil3d, you can build relationships between design objects and cause these changes to take place automatically, saving time and money and reducing opportunity for human error. So now we have exercise explore object relationships. In this exercise you will study how object relationships are leveraged to make design changes in a drawing. Step number 1, download and open object relationships drawing located in description link, and don't skip any video of any chapter. You need to go in a sequence to learn basics to advance. As a first step, we need to open our drawing. As usually we are going with 3 viewports. Step number 2, press the F3 key and observe the command line. If it reports or snap on, then press F3 again. If it reports or snap off, this is the correct condition for this exercise and you can move on the next step. So we need to open press F3. So I can see here it's on. We need to go with off position, so I need to press F3 again. So it's showing now off. Step number 3, click the top right viewport. Here we have top right viewport, which we have profile of road, which shows a profile of the road design. The black line represent the elevation along the center line of the new road. Black line, actually it is a white line, which is showing the profile of road center line. We need to click on that. The blue line represent stone drains and pipe connecting them. Here we can see these are manholes, and these blue lines showing the drains and stormwater design. Step number 4, click the black line representing the road profile as we have done already. Zoom in until you can clearly see the triangular grip located at the intersection of two lines. Here we can see two lines are intersecting. We have triangular grips here, so we can see clearly our triangle grips. Step number 5, click the triangular grip and drag it upward to a location just below the top edge of the profile view grid. We need to click and move it up from the downside. You can see it's going to renew our design, and it's update our drainage and stormwater design according to our center line profile. Notice that the 3D view of the road automatically updates, including the height of the two inlet drain. In the profile view top right, the top of the drain is elevated to match the road. Here we can see here it's already matched with the profile. So step number 6, save and close your design. This simple exercise illustrates the power of relationships between objects. These the easy way which you just update the design may cause you to take the underlying process for granted. However, there is a lot happening behind the scene. The following is a general account of the events that took place when you change the location of the triangular grip. Here we need to know some things about explore object relationships. The slope of the line leading into that triangular grip was changed to match the new location of the grip. The parabolic curve geometry at the location of the grip was updated automatically, as you see in the drawing already. The corridor object, which represents a 3D model of the road, was automatically rebuilt and updated to match the new profile geometry. A surface representing the pavement, concrete and earthen embankment elevation of the corridor was automatically rebuilt. The storm drains update its top elevation to match the surface in the previous step. The 3D representation of the storm drains was automatically updated. The profile view representation of the storm drain was automatically updated. A simple grip edit triggered a chain of events that might have taken an hour or more to update manually. In addition to all this, other changes took place that did not affect the design of the storm drain. This is